Hey gal, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today, on Just Add Water, we're adding ice. My pond's getting hot. We've been freezing 1 liter bottles of water to stick in the pond. It's working pretty good. Y'all check it out. There's the pond. No. So here's our 1 liter bottle. And these guys are accustomed to this. We've been doing this often. And the fish, they swim up by it. But yeah, just add water, just add ice. Just something to take the edge off, you know? But again, I've got a pretty good current in my pond. As you can see, the water's just moving around and around. And I bet you that bottle of water doesn't last 5 minutes in there. But it's just, again, a little something. The fish can come up by it. We've got 10 of them in there. It really gets hot. But I just thought I'd share that with y'all. Y'all, thanks for watching.